Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use this washer and dryer. It's a Cambo. This is a General Electric, and right here is the model. It's GUD24ESSM1WW. Okay, that's the model. And right here is the dryer, and here is the washer. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device or your clothes. These videos for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, so here is the buttons for the washer. Right here is off. Right here is drain, spin, speed wash, delicate, casuals, bulky items, heavy, medium, and this is the start button. And right here is for the water. You want a hot, warm, cold, cool, cold. Okay, and right here this is for pre-soak, like 50 minutes to rinse, pre-soak plus to rinse, and this is for the dryer. I will show you right now the washer. Okay, so these washers, this washer is coming with sensors. So it's not like before. Remember that we used to put the clothes in the soap and turn it on, and then the full fills the tank with a lot of water. And this time, this is new machine, so it has sensors. So depends how many clothes do you put in there. That's the water is gonna. That's the amount of water is gonna fill it up. Depends of the amount of clothes. It depends of the amount of water that the machine will fill it up. So right now I'm just gonna wash two items. This is like a jacket and a white shirt. Make sure there is nothing in your pockets. I already checked this one, but I make sure there is nothing in the pocket, like pennies or something, because you can damage the machine. Okay, always before you put the clothes, check it out. There is nothing in the pockets. Also, do not put a lot of soap. You need to put a little bit. If you have two items, put a little bit. And always put a little bit, not like before that we used to put a lot, because if you put too much soap, then in the end it's gonna be a lot of soap, and it's not gonna wash it well. So now that I put the clothes on, now I'm gonna. That's depends what soap do you like. You can put anything. I like Thai. So that's it. I just put the soap, the items. I close the lid, and then I want hot water. So I make sure it's hot water. And so my clothes is regular. So I'm gonna do in my clothes is not like my two items is not really dirty, so I'm gonna do a speed wash right there. Okay, speed wash. So now that I put a speed wash, to see the lights come on, just press start. And also sometimes you think it's not working, but don't worry, it will finish. You will finish washing your clothes. Just be, uh, be patient. But you're gonna see like it's working and keep going. If for some reason one day you stop like more than 10 minutes, then it's something wrong with it. But I will show you how to reset it in another video. Okay, I'm gonna pause my video and then I'm gonna show you how the clothes come out. Okay. Also, while it's washing, you cannot open the lid. Okay, it finished. When it finished, all the lights are off. Okay, so let's open. See, it looks clean to me. Like I said, don't push too much soap, because then it won't wash it the right way. Okay, well, I hope you like my video. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, check my other videos. Thank you.